Ask me hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thanks.
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am a doctor.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
Okay. Do you wake up at 4 o'clock?
Yes, I wake up at 4 o'clock.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 4 o'clock.
Are you a surgeon?
Yes, I am a surgeon.
Which doctor are you? I am a surgeon. Do you do the surgeries at 5 o'clock?
Yes, I do the
Surgeries at 5 o'clock. When do you do the surgeries?
I do the surgery at 5 o'clock.
Okay. Do you operate 10 operations every day?
Yes, I operate 10 operations every day.
How many operations do you operate every day? I operate 10 operations every day. Alright. Do you get ready at 8 o'clock?
Yes, I get ready at 8 o'clock.
When do you get ready?
I get ready at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Do you go to hospital at 9 o'clock?
Yes, I go to hospital at 9 o'clock.
When do you go to hospital?
I go to hospital at 9 o'clock.
Do you check OPD patients in the morning?
Yes, I check OPD patients in the morning.
When do you check OPD patients?
I check
OPD patients in the morning. Okay. Do you check 20 patients every day?
Yes, I check 20 patients every day.
How many patients do you check every day?
I check 20 patients
Every day. Do you give them allopathic medicines?
Yes, I do them
Allopathic medicines. Which medicines do you give them? I give them allopathic medicines. Okay. Do you check ICU patients in the evening?
Yes, I check
ICU patients in the evening. When do you check ICU patients? I check ICU patients in the evening. Okay. Do you discharge the patients at 9 o'clock?
Yes, I discharge the patient
At 9 o'clock. When do you discharge the patients?
I
Discharge the patients at 9 o'clock. Do you discharge 10 patients every day?
Yes, I discharge 10 patients every day.
How many patients do you discharge every day?
I discharge 10 patients every day.
Is your hospital in Shivaji Nagar?
Yes, my hospital is
In Shivaji Nagar. Where is your hospital?
My
Hospital is in Shivaji Nagar. Do you charge 500 rupees visiting fees?
Yes, I charge
500 rupees visiting fees. How much do you charge?
I
Charge
charge
500 rupees visiting fees. Okay. Do you return home at 10 o'clock?
Yes, I return home at 10 o'clock.
When do you return home?
I return home at 10
o'clock. Do you go to sleep at 11 o'clock?
Yes, I
Go to sleep at 11 o'clock. When do you go to sleep?
I
Go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Alright, bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.
See you.